In the coal-dusted heart of Hwange, Vice President General Dr. Chiwenga stood tall, boast planted firmly on the ground, gaze fixed on the horizon. His recent tour of Hwange Colliery mine was more than a routine inspection. It was a declaration, a signal, a moment that may well mark the beginning of a new chapter in Zimbabwe's political narrative. Sarabina mashoko buda pangwa ino nyasubuda pachinoti general pangwa ino wanyaskonwa kunzi is the best fit kuti vamhanye chinhu ichi. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Kuhwange kuri kunzi General Chiwenga's journey from military commander to vice president has been marked by discipline, resilience, and strategic precision. His presence at Hwange was not just symbolic, it was tactical. He called for value addition, full utilization of core bay products, and a renewed push to bolster Zimbabwe's power generations. These are not the words of a caretaker, they are the directives of a man preparing to lead. The Vice President's emphasis on industrial revival aligns with a broader national agenda, economic sovereignty through resource optimization. Hwange, once a symbol of decay, is being reimagined as a pillar of progress. VP Chiwenga's insistence on resuscitating the coke oven bakery and the railway infrastructure signals a leader who understands that power, literal and political, must be generated, not inherited. In the corridors of ZANU-PF's whispers grow louder with the 2028 elections on the distant but visible horizon. VP Chiwenga's public engagements have taken on a sharper tone, less ceremonial, more executive. His speeches are no longer just about policy, they are about positioning. The Hwange visit was not just about core, it was about credibility, about showing that leadership is not a title, but a task. And VP Chiwenga is doing the work. Zimbabwe stands at a crossroads. The electorate is weary of promises and hungry for performance. VP Chiwenga's technocratic approach, military discipline, and economic pragmatism may offer a compelling alternative to the status quo. Thomas Kwarukuda Pangwa ine achipresa Chiwenga pina kuma section menus of fundo ematukudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like or on the bell icon.